This is the 1964 Tokyo Olympic flame cauldron, if that's what it's called. You know, the place where they had the flame. I think this is a replica of the one that was in the National Stadium, but the reason this is here is because we're here on the banks of the Toda cycling course, which was built for the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Hello, I'm down here at Toda again. This is Saiko Lake at Toda in Saitama, and I come down here quite regularly actually. So these videos all look the same because I'm going exactly the same route. I'm not very good at riding with one hand, you know, so that's why I'm going a bit slowly. This is the flat area around the lake. Always very quiet, this part, because it's usually just these cyclists in their lycra and bicycle helmets. It's a lovely day today. It's about 28. It's going to be about 28 today. It was raining all day yesterday and quite chilly, so that's the weather report. I'm about more than halfway. I've come about, I don't know, it's about 20k up to here. I will go the rest of the way around the lake, including that gravelly bit. found a baseball. There you go, there's the big guy. I always have to stop there. It's so tranquil and lovely. Next time, I'm not going to take any video at all, just soak up the beautiful, peaceful atmosphere. Especially on a day like today. It is lovely today. It is warm, sunny. But anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.